Namaskar Mandali. This is Manasi Ganetkar welcoming all of you along with my colleagues and dancers in today's showcase of Maharashtra's favorite and most famous dance form, Koi dance. MK's Dance Studio is a renowned dance academy of Pune for past 11 years. Our specialty is Bollywood, semi-classical, all dance forms of Western but mainly folk dances. Our age group vary from 6 to 60 years. Rather, it is our biggest plus point. But now let us get to know about Koi dance form a little bit more. The Koi folk dance is a dance form of Koi fisher folk of Maharashtra. This community has its own identity and lively dances which incorporates the elements that they are familiar with, that is sea and fishing. As they worship sea and soil, their dance also includes a homage to their occupation. The dancers of this community perform in unison and portrays the actions of boats and waves while dancing. So now let us look at the first performance of this showcase.
कोली सोरील्या डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अगो मारतीन कोली हानलन गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी नजरा परतिंगो तुझ्यावरी चला ग पारू करतेस यो नखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी बेसावच्या बाजारी लोकांच्या नजरा परतिंगो तुझ्यावरी चला ग पारू करतेस यो नखरा चल जाऊ बाजारी चल ग पारू आईली हिरो कर बाजारची तयारी सरकारची टोपली माथ्यावर ठेवून इकूजा बाजारी फल्यावरी भिंगांनी पाला काठेरी मावर दिसतय सोनेरी सरगांनी हलवा ताज है मावर पारूचे फल्यावरी भिंगांनी पाला काठेरी मावर दिसतय सोनेरी रे काका ताज है मावर पारूचे फल्यावरी अरे खोलियो नाकवा दर्यांची हानतय मावर सोनेरी कोली सोरील्या डोली मुंबईच्या किनारी अग मारतीन कोली हानल्यान गोली ग चल जाऊ बाजारी.
Wow, this was such a beautiful performance. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. But do you know that these Kolis are originally from the native states of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. But now this community is limited to only some parts of Gujarat and Maharashtra, mainly in Konkan. The areas that these people thrive in are called as Koliwadas. Koliwada mainly means the home that opens to the sea. The main festival of Koli, Narali Punam, is celebrated in a grand manner every year. It is believed that after this day, the wind and the sea waves favor fishing in the deep seas. The whole community cherishes this day as the onset of new season for harvesting. The main thought behind this celebration is to calm the stormy sea. The females of the house worship the sea and the boats for safe return of their males. Let us see the good depiction of this description in our next performance.
या कोली वाऱ्याची शान आई तुझं देऊल या कोली वाऱ्याची शान आई तुझं देऊल
या कोळीवाल्याची शान आहे तुझं देऊला आमचे कोळी लोकांचा मान आहे तुझं देऊला आमचे कोळी लोकांचा मान आहे तुझं देऊला महालक्ष्मी ग बहीण तुझी कृपा करी माईची तुझ्याच चरणी वाहिली ग कांची संसाराची हा महालक्ष्मी ग बहीण तुझी कृपा करी माईची तुझ्याच चरणी वाहिली ग कांची संसाराची
आम्हासाठी को जीव का प्राण आई तुझं देऊल आम्हासाठी को जीव का प्राण आई तुझं देऊल
आम्हासाठी गो जीव का प्राण आहे तुझं देऊला आमचे कोळी लोकांचा मान आहे तुझं देऊला आमचे कोळी लोकांचा मान आहे तुझं देऊला
Narali Purnima, also known as Shravan Purnima, is celebrated with great enthusiasm as coastal Maharashtra and Konkan region. Coconuts are offered to the sea god, boats are decorated, and oil lamps are released into the sea. After completing the puja rituals, fishermen take a short trip in the sea on their decorated boats. The word Narali Purnima is derived from two words, Narali implying coconut and Purnima signifying full moon day. Hence, coconut holds special importance for this day.
एक विराईत डोंगरावरी नजर हाय तुझी कोल्ह्यावरी एक विराईत डोंगरावरी नजर हाय तुझी कोल्ह्यावरी एक विराईत डोंगरावरी
I enjoyed this performance thoroughly. And we can see that the people of this community do not need any particular occasion to dance. This vibrant dance form has a true expression of love to the sea and passion towards life, generally performed by both men and women together. The female performers of this community generally dressed in a green color traditional sari that are draped up to their knees and a white color dupatta over their shoulders. They adorn themselves with the traditional ornaments like bangles, necklace, earrings and nath. They style their hair in a tight bun which helps them to keep their head away while walking. On the other hand, male performers wear lungis which forms a triangular shapes, a t-shirt and a hat. Now let's see a next performance.
बेसौची पारू निसली गो नवा सारा बेसौची पारू निसली गो नवा सारा जाऊ चल गो 15 लाख पारू दरियाचे गेला जाऊ चल गो 15 लाख पारू दरियाचे गेला लिंगालाय सोन्याचा मान देवाला दर्याचा देवा वादल नको दर्याला नको उसात पारू घराला आज सणाचे दिसाला और छेती निंगालाय दमानीला कोलियो का शिरम नखवा और करले धंद्याला न जाऊ चल मावऱ्याची रास हानवला
Such a lovely performance, wasn't it? Performers of this dance are separated into two major groups which have fishermen standing in 2 rows carrying oars. The synchronization between the dancers show the beauty of togetherness. The steps in this dance form include the representation of their day-to-day chores. Fisherwomen, on the other hand, standing in opposite rows, arms linked, move furtively towards the men. Fisherwomen, on the other hand, standing in opposite rows, arms linked, move furtively towards the men. The two different formations then break up, leading to all the dancers to come together and move in a way so as to symbolize the movements of waves, rowing, breaking from cliff to cliff, and nest cast to catch the fish. This dance form is a total escapade into serenity and bliss for the people of this community. It helps them to de-stress from a long hectic day that they have had and also lets them forget about all the hardships that have come their way.
ढोल डोलतय वाऱ्या बाई माझी ढोल डोलतय
या कोली बाऱ्याची शान आई तुझं देऊल या कोली बाऱ्याची शान आई तुझं देऊल
या कोळीवाड्याची शान आहे तुझं देऊळ आमचे कोळी लोकांचा मान आहे तुझं देऊळ आमचे कोळी लोकांचा मान आहे तुझं देऊळ महालक्ष्मी ग बहीण तुझी कृपा करी माईची तुझ्याच चरणी वाहिली ग कालची संसाराची हा महालक्ष्मी ग बहीण तुझी कृपा करी माईची तुझ्याच चरणी वाहिली ग कालची संसाराची
आम्हासाठी को जीवता प्राण आई तुझं देऊल आम्हासाठी को जीवता प्राण आई तुझं देऊल
आम्हासाठी गो देवता प्राण आहे तुझं देऊळ आमचे कोळी लोकांचा मान आहे तुझं देऊळ आमचे कोळी लोकांचा मान आहे तुझं देऊळ
Amazing performance, right? And now we have come to an end of this showcase, and we want to thank all of you for joining here today. I hope it was an informative and enjoyable at the same time. More than anything, we want to thank the organizing committee of ICCR for choosing us and giving us this opportunity to perform in this cultural showcase, which represents the true Indian culture. I'm sure that this cultural bonanza will outreach more people and make the traditional dance and music more popular. Thank you once again and hope to see you soon. Dhanyawad.
तुला बघून बघून गेलो या तंबून उन्हात चांदण झालं या वार शिरलई अंगात आलो या रंगात तुझ्यात गुंतून गेलो या माझ्या उरात धडधड कशी होती या फडफड माझ्या उरात धडधड होती या फडफड जीवाच पाखरू झालं या मला उडू 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 झालं या मला उडू 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 झालं या
वर